Hello, so today I'm making healthy spinach and carrot porridge for my baby. So I thought I'll film it here. So I have taken 3 to 4 leaves of spinach and also one carrot. I have peeled off the skin and chopped it into fine pieces. And next I'm taking the cooker directly and adding in 1 teaspoon of ghee. Then I added 2 to 3 cashews. It's up to you if you want to add them or not. If you have introduced your babies to nuts and also cashews, then you can go ahead and add them in, otherwise you can skip them. Next I'm adding in the carrots that I had chopped earlier and just mixing it well. Then I will add in our spinach leaves because they don't take much time to cook, so I will add them last. Then I will close the lid of the cooker and cook it for about 2 whistles on medium heat because we want the carrot to be cooked really well. And so after that, just open it up and just take it into a mixer and grind it. If you want, you can also mash it if your baby is up to it, but my baby was really small. And that's it. It's quite simple and easy to make. You can adjust the consistency, you can add less water, depends on what your baby likes and how they have it. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Definitely subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.